Hey, this is Nick with Obsessed Garage and welcome to another OG Academy video. Today, we'll be talking about Hyde Serum Rustopper, what it is, and how can we use it. If you've ever experienced some surface rusting on your steel brake rotors after a wash that then gets slung all over your clean barrels, this product will solve just that. So Hyde Serum Rustopper was one of the first products we brought in back in 2017. It's a chemical that's designed to stop or limit the buildup of surface rust on your steel brake rotors. It's super simple to apply and a little bit goes quite a long way. So something like this gallon would probably last you the next year or two. So how do we go about applying this product effectively? Well, first you're going to want to apply it to a clean rotor or a clean wheel. Ideally, the process would go that you fully clean your wheels, then you wash your paint, you rinse the whole car, including the wheels, and then we can apply it to the rotors. You'll spray a little bit on the rotors themselves. Again, a little bit goes a long way. You don't need to douse the rotors in the product. You'll then dry the entire car using something like an ego blower. You wouldn't want to use a towel on this, as you would just be wiping the product right off of the rotors. We also found, if you're worried about getting full coverage, that it's good to pull the car back and forward once or twice, obviously using the brakes, just to work the product in and ensure it gets everywhere on the rotors. And that's how you properly apply Hyde Serum Rustopper. Some additional information that we think you need to know about Hyde Serum Rustopper is that you really don't want this product to freeze. So if you live in an area that has very harsh winter conditions, you're going to want to wait till summer or a time where it's not freezing to order it, as it can freeze in the truck itself. Additionally, you won't want to apply this to hot brakes or in direct sunlight, as it can leave some little spots if you apply it in a very high heat condition. Hyde's is maybe something you were searching for, or maybe it fixes a problem you didn't even realize you had, but it's definitely something that's worth picking up. As always, you can get Hyde's in our store at obsessedgarage.com, and if you have any questions about it, let us know in the comments or reach out directly at support@obsessedgarage.